Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious croissants using puff pastry. First, ensure your puff pastry is thawed but still cold for best results. Lay it flat on a lightly floured surface. Next, use a sharp knife or pizza cutter to divide the pastry into triangles. Aim for a base width of about 4 inches for each triangle. Then, gently roll each triangle from its widest end towards the tip, creating that classic croissant shape. This simple method makes baking easy. Once you have your pastry triangles, consider adding a filling. A small piece of chocolate, a spoonful of jam, or a sprinkle of cheese works wonderfully. Place your chosen filling near the wide end before you start rolling. After rolling, gently curve the ends of each croissant inward to form a beautiful crescent shape. This step adds to their classic appearance. Arrange your shaped croissants on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper, leaving some space between each for expansion. Before baking, give your croissants a beautiful golden sheen by brushing them with an egg wash. Simply whisk 1 egg with a tablespoon of water and apply it lightly. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake the croissants for about 15 to 20 minutes or until they are wonderfully puffed and golden brown. Keep an eye on them, as oven temperatures can vary. The aroma filling your kitchen will be incredible. Once your croissants are perfectly baked, carefully remove them from the oven. Let them cool on a wire rack for a few minutes. This allows them to set and prevents them from becoming soggy. Croissants are truly best enjoyed warm, perhaps with a cup of coffee or tea. They are a delightful treat for breakfast or brunch. Remember to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade, flaky pastries.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.